Are you ready for data engineering interviews but unsure about what companies actually ask and how to prepare for them? In this video, you will understand a real interview prep strategy, mock Q&A, career guidance, and how our triple combo program is designed to fast-track your growth in data engineering. So stay till the end. We will also walk you through the enrollment details and best opportunities you wouldn't want to miss. If you are in IT and still stuck in the same salary, not getting enough interview calls, listen carefully. Right now, there are two types of people. Those who keep waiting and those who upgrade their skills and move into high-paying roles, earning 15 to 45 plus LPA because the market has already shifted. Cloud, data, AI, DevOps. These are the roles driving real career growth today. At Coding Superstars, we have helped thousands of professionals move into top tech roles.
I got placed in Ibex Labs. Previously, my package was 8 lakhs. Now it is around 14 lakhs. Thanks for the Coding Superstar for the guidance, and the course is very worth it.
I have accepted a position as a DevOps engineer at NTI Mindtree. The skills which were taught by Coding Superstar were directly applicable to the role, and I'm confident that they will be essential for my success.
Recognized by Silicon India as one of the top 10 cloud computing training firms in India. People who once had zero coding experience are now working in top companies like Microsoft, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, and more. This is not just another course. This is your path to becoming industry ready. So watch this till the end.
Is all about mock interview, interview preparation, resume building, LinkedIn profile optimization, so on and so forth. So now let me show you how the interview questions are asked, how the actual interview questions are asked. Okay, let me show you. So can any of you unmute yourself and read the question number 1? Any of you, voluntary. Okay, read the question number 1 for the class.
Your company.
Yeah, go ahead.
Your company processes real-time LOT sensor data.
It's IoT sensor
IoT.
data.
Okay. IoT.
IoT, what is the meaning of IoT? Internet of Things.
Okay. How would you design a low latency scalable pipeline using Azure Data Factory, Azure Stream Analytics, and Azure Synapse Analytics? How would you optimize query performance when dealing with high velocity streaming data?
Yes, this is how the questions will be. Don't expect A for apple, B for ball kind of a questions, guys. This is how exactly the questions will be. Okay, do not worry. By the end of the training, you'll be able to answer all these things. We'll be preparing you for all these kind of questions. Okay, that is our main goal. Okay, only thing is that you need to practice regularly. If you do this, how to answer to all these questions will be guiding you. So next, can anybody read this question number 6? Managing large scale data migration. I just want to show how the questions will be, so that you exactly know from the very start what you are preparing for.
Your organization is migrating a 10 TB on-premises SQL Server database to Azure Synapse Analytics. How would you plan and execute this migration with minimal downtime? How would you handle the schema drift and data validation post-migration?
Yes. So this is all about data migration, because there'll be a lot of questions will be asked about migration, how you migrate data from like on-premises to other. You should tell them exactly step by step how you do it. Okay. So now let me show you one question on DevOps. Can anybody read the question number 7? This is on like automating data pipelines with the help of DevOps skills. Anybody? Yeah, Jaydeep, go ahead. Yeah, Jaydeep, are you reading? Okay, anybody else?
Yeah,
Utkarsh, go ahead.
your team wants to implement CI/CD for Azure Data Factory. What tools and strategies would you use to ensure seamless deployment and rollback?
Yes, next part. How would you?
Yeah, how would you set up an infrastructure as a code using Terraform or Bicep for an Azure Data Engineering environment?
Okay, this is how the questions will be asked, guys, right? There'll be like a lot of questions like this. How many of you need access to this document, interview document, as well as this complete roadmap, placement roadmap, what I showed you? Okay, the complete roadmap with schedule and all of it, what I showed you. Okay, just type in me in the chat box. Yes, I will share you. Okay, maybe that normally this is shared Okay, this is not supposed to be shared. This is the internal, only for the team, internal team, but I will even definitely share you. And even this interview document is only shared after like 50-60% of the classes, but even I will share you that as well right now. But I need one favor from you guys. What is that favor I will be asking from you guys? So, okay, whatever you guys, okay, have learned today from the session, okay, what kind of value you have got from this session, I would like you guys to share your experience on the link what I've shared you. Once you've shared your experience, take a screenshot of it and share it on my WhatsApp number 9900136885. Okay, you need to share this on my WhatsApp number. I have shared this, okay, on the this thing, okay, chat. Just check the chat. Okay, I have shared you this. Share your experience and take a screenshot and WhatsApp me on the number that I have shared. So once you have shared, I will share, once the session is done, I will share you both the things. Along with that, I will share you end-to-end complete roadmap also, so that normally even what not that not only we can share the content at the start, but I will share you all the things so that you can take informed decision, because tomorrow you have class at 9 p.m. Okay. Fine, guys. You can start setting the screenshots once you have done on the WhatsApp number. So now you guys have got the complete placement roadmap, end-to-end roadmap, like resume building, LinkedIn profile, and everything. Okay, by the end, you will be minimum getting 2 offer letters. That is guaranteed. And previously we have seen what the placement rate is in. We have been getting a placement rate of more than 90%, 95%. Okay. What is the proof that we are getting 5% of person placement rate? Just go to Google and search for Silicon India Coding Superstar. If you search it, you can see, okay, we can see we have got certified as top 10 cloud computing training firms of India. As you can see, we have been certified as top 10 cloud computing training firms of India. Okay, and this is me here, right? It was like a complete article about what they have pursued. And Silicon India is not a simple publication, guys. As you can see, Silicon India is 30-year-old publication. 30-year-old publication. 30-year-old means, can you see this? Okay, there's a 30-year-old publication. So it is huge publication, right? So we have been published there. That means whatever you are learning from one of the prominent organizations, we are a certified organization. Okay, certified organization on Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. That means you will be have everything is validated, because okay, unregistered companies you cannot rely on. Registered companies, certified companies, okay, top rated companies, you always have good possibility. You will be getting, okay, what if the results are committed at the start, you will definitely get. Followed the provided that you have to follow. Attending the classes, only attending the classes and expecting the results, no. You have to even take actions. Actions in the sense, do the assignments, do the practicals, do the projects. If you do not understand, ask once again, attend the classes again and again, and so on and so forth. Okay. So in short, once you start attending the batches, you can WhatsApp, you can attend any number of batches till 1 year. Once you enroll, okay, for example, if you enroll today, May 12th, okay, till May 12th, 2027, you can attend any number of batches in data engineering, any number of batches in DevOps, any number of batches in GenAI, no limitations. And along with that, you'll be getting lifetime access to all the recordings, lifetime access to all the recordings along with the live classes. Okay, live classes is for 1 year, recording is for okay, lifetime. Along with that, you will even get 7 programs as bonuses. What are the 7 programs as bonuses? These are the programs. Okay, like Snowflake, because these are the supporting skills. If you have the skills, sometimes the company will ask you, do you know Snowflake? Okay, for that, you will be even giving you access to Snowflake classes, okay, Power BI classes, okay, AWS data engineering classes, GCP data engineering classes, okay, PySpark classes, Apache Spark classes, Python classes, SQL classes. All these classes will be giving you access. We will be giving you access to all these classes. So normally, this is only given for first 7 participants only, because we have to pay to Snowflake expert, Power BI expert who has taken the class, AWS data engineering expert. For all these experts, we have to pay them. But we have got the permission to give it as a complimentary. Okay, it's completely free along with the program what we do. Only okay for first 7 participants who enroll after this demo, not for everybody. Okay, and this will be getting lifetime access. Okay, so this is like, okay, you can search in whole of India. Okay, not only everywhere you search, if anybody is giving you such kind of value, everything put together, so many programs, okay, so much of advantage, okay, in a single place. Okay, if anybody shows that, just come and show the team that somebody else is also offering this. The team will give you the entire program for free. That's because we are there into the market from last 10 years. It's impossible for you to get that kind of value anywhere else. All right? Because, okay, we are not telling this just for anything else because it is based on the results. Okay, the results, what is the proof? That proof is in Silicon India. Like it's already published, okay, on the internet. So this is why. Okay, so now this is how the complete program works. So tomorrow 9 p.m. we'll have the class for Python. If you have enrolled, well and good. If you have not enrolled, connect with the team. Okay, wherever the WhatsApp message you have got, connect with them. They will help you out. So now I will open the forum for the discussion. Anybody has any kind of questions, you can now unmute yourself and ask. Anybody has any kind of questions, and now you guys can unmute yourself and ask.
Hi.
Yeah, Bhishma, go ahead.
Is there any age restriction for joining this course and
Restriction in the sense?
age grade? Like right now my age is 45, so I'm on career break
So,
past 1 year.
career break for last 1 year, is it?
Yeah.
Past 1 year. What were you working before that?
Yeah, because that I'm working in the healthcare domain and BPO sector. I have around 17 years of experience in that.
So basically, you're from a non-IT background, is
Yeah,
it,
now
Bhishma?
yeah.
So what was the last CTC you were getting before 1 year?
10 lakhs.
You were getting 10 lakhs. You can expect in the range of 15, 20 lakhs. That's possible. Okay. See, only thing is that when you are at the age of 45, there might be certain companies which may not give you opportunities,
Okay.
like tier one companies, like TCS, okay, Mindtree, and all of this. Correct. But there are a lot of tier two and tier three companies which will, for them, age is not the criteria. And if you are providing the value, correct, you can apply that. Along with that, you can even try, you can get a lot of merit. Once anybody crosses 45, I strongly suggest like try to become once you work for 1 or 2 years, okay, work for 2 years till 45, 46, 47, work it. Okay, get very good hands on the skills. Then, okay, try to become a freelance cloud consultant because as a freelancer, you will get projects, you will be paid hourly basis. You know, remember, if you get any kind of project from US or UK, per hour, they will pay you around like $30,
Okay.
right? All right, you can get into that. You'll be earning like 10 times more than what you will be getting in a salary. Okay, that is advice for the once you cross the age of 45, you can shift your complete profile into, you can start earning as a freelancer. Okay, if you are interested, if anybody is already having extra time, you can start doing freelancing work. Every hour, if you have good skill, you can pay 20 to $30. Okay, what is can anybody calculate how much is $30 in Indian rupees per hour? How much is $30 in Indian rupees? That is how much is it is paid in for you. Okay, you can definitely get for next 2 to 3 years work on any kind of job. Okay, then become a freelance cloud consultant.
Okay.
Hey, hi. Saurabh this side. Actually, like my question is like, I'm working as content developer and for last 7 years. But whenever I came to like had some writing essays and all and logic stuff, so I'm bit like very I'm not able to do the that
Mhm.
data structures, right? So is this
Mhm.
data engineering is something which like linking to more of the logic build or coding and
No, say one thing, Vandana, that sense, whatever the data science and machine learning is not for everybody. Okay, data science and machine learning is not for everybody because where you need lot of coding, Python programming you need, lot of Python you need, okay, you need lot of statistics, you need lot of R programming, you need lot of maths, right? It's not for everybody, right? But data engineering, if you remember, it's not that difficult when compared to, okay, data science and machine learning, right? So you'll be like, you need basics of data engineering, you need basics of Python, okay, basically you need basics of SQL, okay, that can be learned. And when know what is your current CPC, Saurabh?
yeah, it's like 9 LPA.
So 9 LPA means you can easily expect in the range of 15, 20 lakhs, not to worry on the product. Because 15, 20 lakhs, the interview will be very easy. Okay.
Okay.
Only that you have to show at least 1 or 2 years of experience with the data engineering. Whatever the projects we are discussing here, those projects you can easily show. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And
So
what, yes, once
like
you enroll every Sunday, you will be connecting with lot of lot of people. Every Sunday, you will be like lot of professionals all across India who are applying merit, who are preparing for the interviews in data engineering under the banner of Coding Superstar. You'll be interacting with them. You'll be getting lot of motivation from them. There are candidates who are from a BPO background who has got a job. Okay, there are candidates who are from a like mechanical background who has got a job, right? I mean, these are like a success that will give you a lot of motivation, right? That means that anything is possible only when you put effort. You should not self-doubt. Okay, am I this? Will I do this and all? Okay, Saurabh, am I? Okay, are you understanding my words? Okay,
Yes,
stop
yes,
doubting
yes.
yourself that I am a developer, whether I will be doing it or not. Okay, you should not negative talk about it. You should always have a PMA. What do you mean by PMA? Positive mental attitude, right? So if you have this, no matter what, whether you are learning, whether you are trying to become anything, positive mental attitude is very much important. That will give you confidence, right? If you are thinking, okay, 100 negativity and like only one positive thought, no, you will, even if you put 24 hours of work, you will not be able to get a job, right? You should have this positive mental attitude is what is needed. Okay, your energy should be infectious. The when you talk in the interview, okay, when you talk itself, first 5 to 10 seconds, it's the interviewer should get to know this is the guy. Okay, he has the confidence. This guy has something else, even before you talk about your technical skills. Okay, fine. Yeah, Utkarsh, you can ask a
Yes.
question.
Yeah, so I want to know about the program fee and the total, I mean, the
For
fee structure.
fees and all, as I've already told you, connect with the team. I think, right, you might have got a WhatsApp message to join this session, right? Connect message back to the team members. They will be helping. They will be connecting you back and helping you out with all the fee structures. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. They will help you out. And for first 7 participants, you'll be getting a good deal as well. Okay. Maybe right. You'll be getting a good clarity. Okay.
You said like for data engineering, there is no coding, right? We will work only on tools.
See, coding in the sense, right? So can you guys tell me which is the most powerful programming language in the world right now? Can you guys tell me?
Python.
Python.
Okay. Python. Okay. C. Somebody says Python. C. Python. Okay. See, guys, you have to be very smart nowadays. The most powerful, okay, programming language in the world right now is English.
Okay.
Why am I saying this? Because if you go to ChatGPT, if you go to Claude, if you just go and tell your scenario, I'm building such kind of application, give me the code. Okay, if you are building a Twitter kind of application, give me the code. It will give you at least 500 to 1000 lines of code in a blink of minutes. You
Okay.
without you knowing a single line of code. What I mean by that, right now, you should not worry about coding and all. You should worry about, okay, how to solve problems, logical problems, right? For you to do this coding, but at least you should understand basic syntaxes, right, Bhishma,
Yeah.
right? How it works and all. For
Okay.
example, even for you to copy, okay, for example, even if you are copying an exam, okay, remember if somebody is giving the whole book, okay, whole book, okay, to copy the exam, you should know in which chapter you have the answer, correct?
Yes.
If you do not know that, what will you copy?
Yes. Yes.
Correct? For that basics, for that reason, we have to learn even Python and SQL. It will take 10 to 12 hours so that, right, you do not miss on the foundation part. Correct? Or else we would have skipped that. But we should understand syntax, how it works. Correct? For that reason. Once you learn this part, then we'll even teach you how to use AI also.
I know SQL, but I don't know Python actually.
Not to worry, we'll help you out with that. Not to worry. Even if you do not know anything, only thing is that if you have you just come with hungry mindset. Just
Okay.
be so hungry that will give you so much of assignments and everything, right? You will never feel, you will not be having time to sleep. We'll be giving so many assignments, right? So when
Okay.
you are loaded with such kind of work, you will fall in love with the subject. Okay. When you will fall in love with something, right? You will bound to grow in that career.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else? Yes, guys. Anybody else has any other questions before we close? So I can see almost approximately almost around like 20, 25 of you have shared me the screenshot. Okay. Maybe right. I will definitely share you the two things, maybe right, what I've committed, the placement roadmap. Okay. Plus the interview document. Okay. So if anybody has not shared that, I'm sharing you once again. Just go ahead and share your experience. What did you learn about? What value did you get? Okay. So that even those who have not attended the session like you, even those get to know about it. It's a positive word of mouth you are spreading to those who have not attended this session. Okay. Go ahead and okay, share the screenshot once that is done. Yes. Anybody else? Okay. Anybody has any kind of questions before we close? Anybody else has any final questions? We started around like 7 p.m. It's already 8:36 approximately. We have spent around like 100 minutes. Okay. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this 100 minutes. If this first 100 minutes has given you positive impact, just imagine what kind of impact next 4 months, next 100 days can give you, next 120 days can give you, next 150 days can give you. Okay. Just imagine and you will get your will it just put your hands on your heart and just see the result your heart will say the answer what you will be, what kind of position you will be in next 100 days. Okay. Saying this, I will end this session. Connect with this
Hello,
team. They will help you
hello,
out
sir.
with all the other part. Yes, Jaydeep.
Sir, how many trainers are there to train
So
you?
you'll be mentored by all senior experts who are already earning 50, 60, 70 lakhs product-based companies and all of it. Do not worry. Say I will tell you, will commit you one thing. You will get the results for sure. Okay, do not worry about the what is there inside. At the end of the day, if you want to eat a perfect pizza, a tastiest pizza of the world, right? You need that. How it is prepared and all, leave it to us. Okay, because we know we have done it many times, multiple times. Okay, don't go in the how is the pizza? Pizza is very tasty. How is it done? Okay, what did you put? How much salt did you put? Is it need required for you? No, we'll be focusing on that. We have already done and tested. We have trial and tested all the things from our side. You just follow. Follow. If you and make lots of mistakes when you're learning, I will tell you right now. Sometimes you will make hundreds of mistakes. You have to make mistakes. That is when you are learning. If you are not missing my learning, if you are not making any kind of mistakes, then you are not learning at all. Right? When you make a lot of mistakes, that is when you learn. When you learn, when you grow. Right? Fine. Any final questions? Anybody else has any other question? Yes, perfection is a myth. Yes, we have to make a lot of questions, and also we have to go realistic approach. Right? Don't try to set some unrealistic goals. We have to set realistic goals. Right? Realistic goals. Okay, and it should be stretchable goals. For example, if you're at 10 lakh, you have to stretch. Don't set a goal to get like 14 lakh or 15 lakhs. Set a goal to go to 20 lakhs. If you're already at 20 lakhs, set a goal to get to 35, 40 lakhs. Right? It's possible. Set a goal for 80 to 100%. So you have to make set impossible goals so that you try to achieve such kind of goals. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, connect with the team tomorrow 9 p.m. We'll be starting with Python. The team will help you out with all the things. For those who have shared the screenshot, I will definitely share you with all the things I have committed. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great time. And also those who if you are enrolling immediately, first 7 participants, do not forget to ask for the bonuses, 7 bonus program. As I told you, okay, 7 bonus programs are, what are the 7 bonus programs? Number 1 is Snowflake. Second one is Power BI. Third one is AWS Data Engineer. Fourth one is GCP Data Engineer. Okay. Fifth one is, PySpark, Apache Spark. Sixth one is Python. Seventh one is SQL. Right? So all of it. Fine, guys. Thank you very much. Connect with the team. Okay. And they will help you out with the further process.